going to be the konjac rice.
Going to the shops and this is very cute. Is about 5 times more in calories in comparison to... What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kwame here. Today I'm going to be taking you through a standard leg day. I'm going to be training with Kay, so we're going to walk in there soon and get straight into it, fam. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I am with Kwame. Alright, let's get straight into training legs. But before we get started, let's get warm up in. When it comes to stretching, that's always number one for me before a leg workout. I have to ensure that my muscles are ready to go through that motion. Warming up is just as important. Here I've got my KXK fitness band to help me with my warm-up. I'm also getting those movements I'm going to be doing, and pushing my knees out is number one. Considering squats is going to be my first movement, I need to ensure that my knees are pushed out completely. This is one of the biggest things that a lot of people miss out on. They do not push their knees out and they really struggle to activate their glutes while they squat. Alright, let's get straight into our squats for exercise number 1. Alright, stop for a moment right there. Alright, we did not just get to 220 kilo squat. We had to warm up. So let's rewind this. Alright, so when it comes to warming up with weights, we are going to start off with about 15 to 20 reps with lighter weights and slowly or progressively increase the weight as we go. We want to also ensure we are doing a full range of motion to take the joints through. We also want to prepare our body for the movement, so that's why it's essential to gradually increase that weight. It's also essential for the joints to also get used to that load. Going nice and low, push our knees out. That's a very important thing. Ensure our glutes are activated before we even attempt anything heavy. It's during the warm-up that you would actually feel good, and that's when you know when to increase the weight. Time to hit one of my favorite exercises, dumbbell heavy walking lunges. A great exercise that can target your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, basically everything. Now it is really important that we go quite heavy with this. In this one I am hitting 70 kilos, but if you can see how I'm doing this exercise, I'm going all the way down, getting a nice stretch and a nice squeeze in my quads, glutes, and hamstrings. It's a great exercise overall, and it's one I can't really fault. I find it as one of my most staple exercises for legs. less intense compound movement are leg press. I love the leg press because it takes out a lot of the upper back movements and core movements from the exercise, and our main focus is only using our legs to control that weight. So we are controlling the weight here. We are trying to make as much as possible from the leg press as well, and we're also going to be supersetting this with a set of RDLs. Let's go. Last but not the least, we have our hamstring curl. Right now we're doing the gear on the curl, which basically mimics a seated hamstring curl, but this is a great isolated movement as well. Great for hamstrings. You can't see those muscles and they're very, very hard to target, so this exercise helps quite a lot. So now we finish our day with some abs and some skipping, and there's something quite hilarious in this because the skipping rope broke in the middle of a live stream. So what I was doing here was I was live streaming on YouTube, and here are just some behind the scenes footage. Yeah, food time, baby. So after an epic session, it's time to get some food. Hey!
Nearly forgot to put his mask on.
Alright, going to the shops and we've got some exciting.
Here, panda bag.
This is very cute. That brings out my eyes. So we're going to the shops and we're going to be showing you guys some food swaps. So this is really important. Make sure you guys don't stop. This is going to be epic. I can't wait to show you guys this stuff. So it's going to be mine and Kay's. So we're going to see who has the best food swaps as well. So I want you guys to vote in the comments below. Check in.
Check in.
And after you, the cool people like me, we come in presents. Almost messed up. Okay, alright. And
oh.
Why aren't you boxing?
You probably can't hear me because of the noise, so just probably.
Yeah, why weren't you boxing, mate? Alright, so we've got Josh over here. He's doing the 8-week challenge as well. He's got his just gonna see if there's any cheat meals in there, bruv. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. What that?
Food swap number one, we've got those basmati rice. So per serving over here, we've got 208 calories. That's for 125 grams. So a good little swap for this one here is going to be the konjac rice. So if you look at this one here, it's only 11 calories per serving. So it's 125 grams. And the whole packet is only 22 calories. So you can have this whole thing for only 22 calories compared to one little cup of this, which is going to be 208 calories. So that's your first swap.
To our food swap. So what we've got here is Moroccan chicken, and we're going to be swapping that out for tomato puree, passata tomato puree. Now this here, our Master Foods one, is about 5 times more in calories in comparison to the tomato puree over here. So again, it just allows you more room to eat when you have something like this. A nice clean swap as well. Now when we look at the ingredients as well too, we've got 99.5% tomatoes, and so very little ingredients. We've got some salt, and that's pretty much it. There's actually not much ingredients in here.
Hey! We have bread. So we've got our normal traditional bread. So this one here is just the white bread, and here we have for the serving slices, which is 2 slices. It's about 180 calories, okay? So we can swap this one out for something like this, a Love Country split. So you can actually get 2 slices of bread for this one here for about 115 calories, okay? So it's saving you quite a bit of calories. Another alternative is this one here. So we've got the sandwich thins. You get 2 of the thins, so just the thins there for 100 calories each.
And we finished off the day by doing some boxing, which was not recorded, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please show some love by liking, sharing this video, and commenting below what you want to see next. Your boy is out. Please also subscribe and turn on post notifications. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much for your support. Much love and respect.
Kwame! My good friend Kwame.